Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the missing MSS32.dll error on our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be having two methods. So the first is to manually download and install the MSS32.dll, and for that we will be opening first the browser. So you can either have the Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So here all you need to do is just to type in the search box the MSS32.dll download, and then we will be getting all the search results from Google. So please click on a reliable result, and then I will go with this one. So once you click on this one, you will get this kind of window just like this. And here all you need to do is just to click on this download button, and you will get the selections or the options to select a version or variant to download. So please click on the variant or the option that you want to be downloaded, and then once you have already downloaded it, all you need to do is just to extract the file from the zip archive. So let me just quickly look for the download button. So please click on this I am a human option here, and then just answer the reCAPTCHA. And then click on the start download button, and then it will be verifying if you're a human. So just wait for this verification process to be done, and then you can now download the DLL file. So it's stating here that it's now downloading. So after this download and it is already downloaded in your device, all you need to do is just to extract the file from the zip archive, and then open this PC option. Go to the local disk. So let me just quickly go to the download directory. So we are now in the download directory, and all we need to do is just to extract this file from the zip archive. So let us now open this PC option, and we are now in the local disk C. So here, let me just extract this one. Please make a right click on that, and then click on extract all, and then click on extract, and it has now been extracted. So all you need to do is just to open this PC option. So click on this PC, and then go with local disk C and look for Windows. Here we need to look for System32. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just to copy and paste the DLL file into the System32 folder. And for 64-bit systems, you need to go to syswow64 folder. So you need to go to that folder, syswow64 folder, and then there you need to paste the same DLL file there as well. Okay, so after doing that, you need to restart the computer and to apply the changes. So this method may not always work, especially if the application can't detect the manually placed DLL. So if that is the case, then we need to go back to the browser, and then we need to apply the second method, which is to install the Visual C++ or distributable package. And so to do that, please open again the browser. And with my browser open, here all you need to do is just to search for Microsoft Visual C++. And then type redistributable. Click on enter. And then here, we need to look for the version relevant to Visual Studio 2015 or the latest one. And then once you have found it, all you need to do is just to click the official link, and then download and run the installer, and then accept the license and terms and install the package. If already installed, a message will appear, and otherwise the installation process completes normally. So once you're done with this one, just make a quick restart with the device again and see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.